Alrighty, today we are going to be working with base 10 blocks. So right here I have this pulled up. So this is what is going to be a helpful tool for us to look at these different word problems that we have. I'm going to click back over here. So our first problem, well, let's start with this. So the information, you always want to look for the information that you do have with the math problem. So the information we do have to help us figure out the answers to these problems are how many chocolates are packed in a box and how many boxes are in one carton. So I did make this little example. So if we have one box of chocolate right here, we have 10 total chocolates. And I wrote it all out, but I would rather highlight the importance so we just don't get confused by all the different words in there, even though there's a couple. So I highlighted in blue, one box equals 10 chocolates. And we can keep this up to refer back to it. And for me, I just like to have more visual things. I'm definitely a visual learner. So I put our next statistic that we have in green. So we have one carton of chocolates equals 100 total chocolates. That's a lot of chocolates. So every one carton equals 100 chocolates. So like I said, we're just going to keep this up so we can refer back to it with our problems. So let's first look at our first problem. So the information we do know is that Jerry has one carton and 4 boxes. So if we write it down, one carton and 4 boxes. Alrighty, I'm not too sure when that cut off. So let's just quickly go over this one more time. I'm not sure I'm going to cut off. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Oh, that's all we need, sorry. All right, so that is how many 10 boxes of chocolates that Lee or Jerry? Lee has. That equals 370. So if we have cartons, 1, 2, 3. It's 300. Watch this number down here for a little confused. This is how many cartons, and this is how many boxes. 3 cartons, 7, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7 cartons. Alrighty, on to our last problem. Miss Rollo. Yum, Rollos are good. Alright, hopefully it doesn't cut off on me again. Miss Rollo needs 10 chocolates for her 26 friends. Okay, let's go back. She has 26 friends. We need to multiply that by 10. So 26 times 10 equals 260. So Miss Rollo needs a total of 260 chocolates. Whoops. Really not a good speller. I will need to work on that, of course. Okay, so this is the total amount she needs. Highlight that for fun. She needs 260 total chocolates for her 26 friends. Okay. Let's put that number up here. Alrighty, let's see what other information we have on here. Okay, so if she can only buy boxes, how many boxes does she need? Well, she can only buy boxes. And we know up here that one box equals 10 chocolates. So if she can only buy boxes, we will go back to our 10 block and see how many it takes us to get to 260. Alrighty, look at our number down here. We had 260. So let's count them together. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10. Got 10. 1, 2, oh, that's actually 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17, 18, 19, 20. 21, 22, 23, 24, 25, and 26. So she needs one box for every friend because one friend gets a whole box. Alrighty, so she needs 26 boxes. So we took care of that part. So she finds out that it's cheaper to buy chocolates in cartons. Now we need to figure out how many cartons she needs and how many additional boxes. So for the last time, let's come look up in here. Miss Rollo needs 260 total chocolates. Okay, so we have our 2 right here. And we need cartons. So let's go up to our carton. 1 carton equals 100. So if we need 200, we will sweep that away. Go to our carton. 1, 2, there's our carton. Now we need additional boxes because remember, we need 260 total, not just 200, and we have 200 only. So additional boxes, let's remember, we need 60 more chocolates. So 1 box equals 10 chocolates. So let's see how we can get to 60. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6. Look at that. So Miss Rollo will need 1 carton, 2 carton, 1 box, 2 box, 3, 4, 5, and 6 total boxes. That is it, folks. Those were our 3 questions on here. Thank you for our time. Have a wonderful day.